we have hired a tour guide from EFATA Christian school, and the tour guide is going to bring us to explore more about chocolate. Here we go! We are at the Batam Airport. Alright, buckle up the seatbelt. The airplane is going to take off. In a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go! To the land of Africa. Oh, it's a big country. We want to come to this country and see the Cocoa Plantation. There we will learn how the chocolate is made. So let's go to the plantation.
The cacao trees produce large, colourful pods that look like this, hard and melon-shaped. The trees resemble apple trees. As you can see, the fresh seeds don't look anything like chocolate at this point. The seeds are then taken to a processing house. The next stage is to dry the seeds. They are now called cocoa beans and look like this. The roasted beans are then winnowed so that they melt into what we call a chocolate liquor.
Today, Miss Lisa have learned that the chocolate that we are eating right now is actually made from a plant, from a bean that's called cacao bean. Now, we are getting ourselves ready for a new trip, okay? We will be going to the next city. Right, we are there in New York City. So after finding out about the chocolate cocoa plantation, now we will be going to the chocolate factory. Okay, we will be visiting this Hershey chocolate factory. So in no time, we are going to land the plane and sit nicely. We will be going to Hershey chocolate factory. Here we have our little puppeteer to welcome us, the Pieces and Hershey bar. Okay, so we are going to take a ride inside the chocolate factory there. So sit nicely. Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to the Hershey Chocolate Factory Tour. Well, girls, let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's true that milk is an important part of the process, but let's start at the beginning. From here, the beans are sorted as computers supervise the process, sending the cocoa beans through cleaning machines. And only after the beans are cleaned and screened are they sent on to our blending machine. With the beans blended, they're then set ahead to be roasted in large revolving roasters like this one. We're now in central blending. It's the heart of the Hershey's chocolate making process. The refining process grinds the chocolate until it reaches a uniform and smooth consistency. Next, as seen on your left, the chocolate is further refined by a unique process called crunching. And with our milk chocolate made to perfection, we then add peanuts, almonds, and other extras to create a world of wonderful chocolate treats. Picture. So look up and smile for the camera.
Smile. You all have learned the ingredients in making this yummy milk chocolate. So everyone, we have to say goodbye to our tour guide. Thank you, tour guide, for a wonderful and clear explanation that we have learned so much. We will be coming back to Batam in a minute. So sit back and let's go. Well, we are landing now at Batam. Get your things ready and we will be coming back to our home. So I hope that you enjoyed today's tour.